Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Today I have a Fiat 500 2009 model. Basically this car has a coolant leaking problem. This is common problem for the Fiat 500. I'm going to show you where it's leaking and I'm going to show you how to replace. Also, still not subscribe our channel, please do it now. If you have any question, comments, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. This is the coolant hose broken. This one connected to the thermostat. That's why the coolant leaking. This is the common problem for the Fiat 500, coolant leaking. Little bit bad design because that thermostat all come with the metal, only this hose come with the plastic connector. That's why this connector broken. I'm going to show you how to replace new thermostat. Stay with me, take a good idea. After that I know you have your own confidence. As a first step, need to disconnect the battery. Then we can get more space to work around thermostat. This is the negative post. When you're going to disconnect the battery, you need to disconnect from negative post. When you're going to reconnect the battery, you have to start positive first, then after that negative. I'm going to disconnect positive post now. It's holding 10 mm nut. This is 13 mm nut for the battery holding bracket or strap. Now we can remove the battery. There is a underneath tray, plastic tray, need to remove that one. Need to disconnect that connector. After that need to remove this 2 bolt, and there is a middle another nut there. After that you have to remove that nut inside. Then after that we can remove the metal tray. This is the nut it's holding. I'm going to open that plastic connector. Now I have enough space to work around thermostat. Thermostat holding. This is the electric connector for the thermostat. Thermostat holding 2 bolt. This is the first one. when you're going to do like that delicate work, take your own time and do it. This is the second bolt. Little bit wiggle, it will come out. Need to disconnect hose from the thermostat. You can use flat screwdriver like this and open the clip. I'm using flat screwdriver and open hose mouth little bit because it's stick with the thermostat. Next step, I'm going to remove that plastic connector from the hose. Same method I'm going to using like other hose, using flat screwdriver and make a space between hose connector and the hose. This is the broken plastic connector. This is the old thermostat. You can see as it is, it's broken from here. What happened is the whole unit metal. This bit's only plastic, that's why it's the problem. You can see as it is, this is the new one. All come with the metal, no problem at all. I'm saying this one little bit bad design, however we can't change that one, but I'm going to change new thermostat. Make sure clean that area before you stick in new one. I'm going to install new thermostat. When you're going to tighten this bolt, just do hand tights, no need to do over tights, because if you're going to do the over tights, it's ending with slip threads. Be careful. And also I'm mentioned this time, using right tool for right job. I'm using quarter ratchet, don't going to use it half a ratchet for like this small job. I'm going to using Jubilee clamp like this, because original clamp can't reusable. Going to connect small hose. Reinstall clamp. That clamp I can reuse. I'm going to tight Jubilee clamp. It's holding 7 mm screw. Next step, need to reconnect electric connector. All in. I'm going to reinstall battery tray and battery. As I mentioned, we need to start from the positive terminal. Then negative one. Now I am going to show you how to bleeding coolant system. First we need to fill up coolant. This is the bleeding point. We need to leave open that nipple until coolant come out from there. You can hear now air coming out. Then after that gradually coolant will come out. Also make sure reservoir not dry. That means you have to add coolant always. Coolant level bit low. I'm going to add more coolant. Also, if you start the car and do this process, it's will little bit quicker. I'm going to start the car now. You can see as it is coolant come out from nipple. Leave it another couple of minutes until all air come out and water will come afterward. I think now all air out. See, steady coolant come out. I'm going to tight nipple. Just do the hand tight, don't going to over tight that one. This is the way I am following change this thermostat. I think you have your own confidence now. However, don't forget to subscribe us. If you have any question, comments, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. I'm Charlie from Sonu Motors. See you with another video soon.